Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. So I just woke up. I spent the past hour trying to get my vlog from yesterday uploaded. I used my iPhone, but I'm having a hard time at transferring the files from my iPhone to my computer, mostly because my computer is old. Anyway, I bought a new computer, so we're gonna unbox that and see if we can somewhat get that to work. And today I'm going to be going for afternoon tea, so that's gonna be fun. So I'll take you guys along with me, and then I'll show you like what I do to get ready, like skincare, etc. So yeah. So part of that vlog that never got uploaded was a candle haul from Bath and Body Works. So I got like 6 candles, a couple of which I'm gonna return, but this is Tiki Beach, which is like one of my favorites. It's like super washed out for some reason. So these are the ones that I'm gonna return. So these are the eucalyptus ones. Like, I don't know, I don't like the eucalyptus mint, and these like these are like in the same range, like equally as bad. I don't know, like I don't know, Bath and Body Works just does not know what eucalyptus smells like. Like, I have like dried eucalyptus from actually right here. You guys have probably seen this a ton of times, but yes, so dried eucalyptus, and it smells so good, but somehow like Bath and Body Works cannot get that sent down. So those are getting returned today as well. So we're gonna have a busy day. All right, guys, so here is the laptop box. I'm just gonna get out of here. And this is what it looks like. So beautiful. You know how I feel about Apple, and their product design is always on point. So let's get this thing out of here. All right, I need to get some scissors. It smells like, you know, that new packaging smell. So I got I believe this is a 16-inch MacBook. It's been like literally months since I bought this thing. Yes, so 16-inch MacBook. And the reason why I haven't opened it is because I was just like not in the mood to transfer the files from my old computer to this. And my old computer still works, but it's like on the verge of like falling apart, as evidenced by the inability to transfer the files over. So yeah, I guess now is a good time. Let's turn this thing on. So other things in the box were just charging cable and instruction manual, more than likely. Oh, and then little stickers. Alright, so I'll do a little bit of the setup with you guys, but it's not the most exciting thing ever. Okay, I'm gonna set up Wi-Fi and stuff, get this thing somewhat together, and then I'll get back with you guys. Okay, guys, so this is the computer basically set up. Haven't really done anything with it besides get to this point. I'm gonna try to transfer these files in a few and then make some breakfast. So for breakfast, I think I'm just gonna make some avocado toast, and then of course I need coffee. So I think that was a Blue Mountain coffee pod from Nespresso, and we're gonna add the usual brown sugar and then just some oat milk. So I had some breakfast and I got a little sidetracked and started editing my video. So I did buy Final Cut Pro with the computer. I had it installed when I got it. So I'm first time using it actually, so I'm trying to figure that out. The videos are a little wonky because of the settings. I filmed the video on my iPhone and the settings are like, I don't know, they're like not 100% compatible outside of the iPhone or in video editing. Like, I don't know, I gotta figure that out. So growing pains, I suppose. Now I'm gonna finish up the coffee over here, and then I'm just gonna wax a few stray hairs on my face because I'm going out in public and you know, just trying to like look somewhat decent. And yeah, then I'll do a face mask and then I'll like shower and stuff and like get ready, because that's like that part takes me like the longest, and then I end up being late to things. So I figured I could just get it done now and then just kind of like chill until it was time to go, or like figure out an outfit in the meantime, because right now it's I think 10:30ish and the event is at 1:30, so I have plenty of time to like not be late. Plus I have to get down there, find parking, walk to the place, etc. So yeah, I need to get started on like my get ready process. Okay, so in the bathroom we're gonna just do a quick wax. I normally wax, I think I made a video about all my waxing, like where I normally wax and how to do it, etc. So we're not gonna talk about that, but today we're just gonna wax some chin hairs, which is really annoying. I feel like I need to find some way to like get rid of them permanently, like laser hair removal. However, it's very hard to find laser hair removal for dark skin ladies or people in general because of the way the lasers work, because they normally target like things that are dark, and if your skin is dark then you're more likely to get burned. There is a laser that is less likely to do that, but I have yet to find someone that offers that, so I haven't gotten or done a laser hair removal successfully. I've done it in the past with a regular laser and it didn't really work. So yeah, gotta figure out something. Like, they have gotten less prominent with waxing, but they haven't stopped altogether, so you know, it's kind of a pain. And I was looking at like at-home laser hair removal like devices, but even those ones weren't really suited for dark skin either, so there's that. But I guess it's not the worst thing. I mean, if I wax them, they're back in like 2 weeks. I have to wax them twice a month, versus the rest of my hair I only have to wax like once a month. Also, I don't mind as much like hair like being there at like the 1 month mark. Like, I don't care if my eyebrows are a little bit overgrown or my armpits are overgrown, like that doesn't bother me as much. But chin hair, not so much. Now, someone has actually managed to, I keep on looking at this screen over here, which is the flaw of the screen, so we're gonna get rid of it. If someone has figured out some sort of hair removal, like laser or whatever for dark skin, let me know, because I would be very much interested in that. Alright, perfect. So we've gotten rid of all the stray hairs. So I'm just gonna do my weekly baby facial mask from Drunk Elephant. Just I try to do one pump like at these 5 points on my face. Alright, so that stays on for 20 minutes, so I think I'm gonna continue editing this video and trying to figure out Final Cut Pro, and then I'll head to the shower. Okay, so we're gonna start getting ready for the afternoon tea, and I think I'm gonna do some fragrancy stuff for the shower. So we're gonna do Jo Malone Peony Blush Suede body wash, and then the body cream as well, and then my usual Thai ingrown hair stuff. So alpha and beta hydroxy acids. So I think that's gonna be it for the body. And then when I do my skincare routine, I'll show you guys what I use.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Okay guys, so we are about to jet. Not even sure if that was recording what I needed to record, so let's do that again. So, outfit. Michael Kors bag from a minute ago. Slip top from Vince, linen blend pants from H&M, and then the loafers from H&M that I wore yesterday as well. So I basically wear the same thing or the same style of thing over and over again. So top, shirt, loafers, but yeah, it's kind of like a uniform, and it makes things like way easier in terms of dressing, so I don't have to be like, oh, what am I gonna wear today, because I already know I wear the same thing over and over again. So yes, also have my returns for Bath and Body Works, which I just put in this Apple bag, which I guess is convenient that I kept it, but sometimes you don't want to like be walking around with like plastic bags. It's just like not a look. So yeah, we are gonna head out right now. All right guys, so I just arrived at the parking structure or parking lot effectively, and so the place that I'm going is 0.5 miles away, but I thought it was closer. So 0.5 miles is like a 14-minute walk, so I'm gonna go do that now, and I'll see you guys in a few. It's graduation time because I see a bunch of like people posing for photos at the museum, so that's cute. Alright guys, well, we're all done with afternoon tea and I'm walking back to my car. It was super nice and the weather is perfect, like I said before. So we're gonna go head to Bath and Body Works and exchange those candles for something more palatable. And I'll let you know what I get once I'm done, okay? Alright guys, so I just got done at Bath and Body Works, and I also went to TJ Maxx, but I didn't get anything. I didn't even bother filming in there because I don't know, I haven't found anything at TJ Maxx in months every time I've been there. Part of it is I'm trying not to spend money, and then part of it is like there's nothing that I want, which is nice in terms of saving money. So I got rid of those eucalyptus candles that I was complaining about, I think, in my last vlog. And I got another Tiki Beach, because that's my favorite. Like I said, it's so good. My goodness. And this new one, which I saw online, but like when I read the description, I was like, oh, that doesn't sound very good. This is Fiji White Sands, and let's see, the notes are fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine, and sandalwood. So I think because I saw sandalwood on there, I was like, no, because I wouldn't say I don't like woody fragrances. That's not true, because my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works is Marshmallow Fireside, and that's a woodsy scent. But like some of the other woodsy scents are like not my thing. But this Fiji White Sands is very nice. It just smells, you know, beachy, coconutty. Although there is no coconut in there, but you know, it's given that vibe. So yeah, I got that, and then I just got a call from Afternoon Tea, the restaurant where I went to, and they're like, oh, you left your credit card here. And I'm like, it's 30 minutes from my house, so I doubt I'm gonna go back there to get it. And like parking is an issue as well because it's in the downtown, so I don't know, I might just cancel my card and get another one. We'll see. But that's gonna be it for the vlog today. I had a really good day. It was super nice. The weather was perfect. Now we're starting to get cloudy, like it's gonna rain, so perfect ending to the day. I'm gonna head home and try to figure out Final Cut Pro and get my previous vlog up. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.